kating-kati na sila na makahanap ng dahilan para tanggalin na ang Double O program sa abang buhay.
Tama po kayo, sir. Nasa mahirap na sitwasyon na kayo ngayon.
The world needs him to stop an evil organization. Spectre, Thursday, 8 p.m. on G-Flix, on GTV.
007, mula sa araw na ito, grounded ka na muna.
This Monday,
Anong oras natin pasasabugin ang stadium? Mamaya alas 6 ng gabi.
buckle up for an action-packed evening. Because when the stakes are high and the world is about to turn upside down, James Bond is not backing down. Spectre, Monday, 8 p.m. on G-Flix.